Hello, thank you so much for being here and watching my video. This is Mactan Lady speaking, and this time my upload is cooking with me sinigang baboy, which is a sour taste dish from the Philippines. It's also good with lots of rice on it. But anyway, the instruction will be in the edited side, so you can copy it. And anyway, the different over here, I just harvest all my ingredients for it, like kangkong and string beans, daikon, and we call it gabi, and also of course the pork and stuff, and also the sinigang mix. I've basically, you could see when I put it in there, and there's like you just stew it for a little while to soften the meat, and also you mix it together and all that stuff. It's up to you. If you have all the ingredients, great, but if you don't, it's fine also to use cabbage, like napa cabbage, or if you like what do you call that, lettuce, and Romanian lettuce is also good for sinigang, so you could do that. It's a different thing that you could do. And salt and pepper, and make sure you put some patis on it. Anyway, good luck with your cooking with the sinigang. It's really simple. Hopefully you guys started planting and have a different herb and vegetable in your garden, so that you will always have something available to you in your backyard. And also it helps save you money when you cook, and you don't have to worry to go to the store. Well, good luck with your cooking. See you next time for my upload. Bye. Appreciate you guys.
Which is galing sa garden ko. We have the gabi, the root gabi from my garden also, and also daikon, and then eggplant. Ayan na. Galing ito lahat sa aking hardin. Ayan, daikon, at saka ito. Yan ang lalagay natin. Tapos lagyan natin ito yan. Dagdagan natin para sa mayroon na tayong gulay. So yan ang aking sinigang. And where we go, guys, we're gonna put the eggplant here. There you go, the sinigang. There you go. And I'll put the daikon later. And that's how you do it, making sinigang. Make the boil slowly the meat, so that it be softened. It's not shock kind of thing. So you just put it there. You got all that. It's complete. This is how we make sinigang, guys, in the Philippines. Okay, everything is from the garden. You are in the province, you live in the province, everything is in the garden. Our refrigerator and vegetable wise is from the garden. So that's what we're gonna do. We wait for a little bit, then after that we will cut everything. Now my other green beans yesterday, you just measure this like this for your sitaw, for your you do it like that. Okay, and you can just cut it if you want to. That's what I'm going to do. So I'll show you guys when I'm done. Thank you. Ayan. Habang nagsasampalataya tayo, turo tayo, nagpapakulo ako ng masarap na baboy, pinapalambot ko. Dahan-dahan. Blessing talaga ni Lord, di ba? Nagpapasarap ang blessing ni Lord. God bless you, everybody. Ayan, guys. Ito, nagsisigang ako para sa lunch namin, ng anak ko, ng aking bunso. Ayan, sarap magsabaw, kaya magsinigang tayo ng baboy. Ayan. Ito'y galing sa garden. Pati gabi ko, ayan, gabi yan, galing sa garden yan. Kanang ahos, ganyan, galing yan. Yan, ilagay natin. And not only that, guys, ito yung talong, ito yung dankid na galing sa garden. At ito naman, ay, hindi pa ako tapos madali ako eh. Dapat, guys, lagyan nyo ng pepper, ng liso, whole corn pepper, meat. And I normally make put the bay leaves like that to have that smell good. Like that. I put the bay leaves on it. So that's what you have to do. And then put some salt. I already get patis already. Patis is the basically squid. When you make sinigang, I kind of knew how much I want it, so I have a different taste. So yes, so that's what you need to do. Patis is actually this. So you gotta be careful when you put the fish sauce. Fish sauce. Be careful when you put salt on it, like what I did. I know how much I need, so yeah, that's what I did. Put some fish sauce already, so everything should be fine. So that's the thing. Everything is from my garden that I use for cooking. There you go. Let me try this up. Oh my God, ang sarap. Yan. That's perfect. So we're coming out. And then guess what, guys? You put this like that. Like so. Yan, lagay mo yan dyan. Put it together. Like so. Yan. Mamaya mo na ilagay yung ano mo. Ilagay kan mo. Yung put the kangkong later. Okay? And you see, masarap nito. Kailangan ko itong lagyan ng sabaw pa kasi medyo kulang. Pero I like it like this too. Medyo putin yung pagka-sinigang niya. Yan. There you go. And it shouldn't take long before when you cook this. It doesn't take long, just the meat. Yeah, I kinda need more salt. There you go. And a lot of black pepper. Put some. Mahilig ako sa black pepper talaga, grabe. So that's how you do it. Okay. There. That should be delicious now. There. Kailangan pa. Kailangan ko pa ng asin. Kulang. Tabang. Put some water. A little bit of water. Ayan. So everything is getting cooked now. So you don't want everything to overcook because that's not the purpose of sinigang. You want your vegetable just right. So you need to be careful. That. Yummy. Yan. Diyan pa natin ng patis. I think I need to put more patis. Ayan. There you go. So, patis. Ayan. Ayan. Ngayon, itong kimchi ang ilalagay natin. Ayan. Instead na kasi kulang tayo sa kangkong. You wanna have a vegetable, a lot of vegetable. I put kimchi instead. Kimchi. Not kimchi, but napa. This is what you call napa cabbage. And napa cabbage is normally really good for sinigang also. That's your optional. Hold it pa. Yan. You put your napa there. Make sure that it doesn't get overcooked. Yan na, puno na yung aking That's how you make sinigang. There you go. You can also do a puchera twist on it if you like, but since my focus is sinigang, I'm not gonna do a puchera, okay? I just want this as sinigang. Yan. So that's what I'm gonna do. And then you can put this, the kangkong. Yeah, and here you go, guys. This is one of the main ingredients. to make it soury. Your sinigang is this. Sinigang Mamacita Sampalok is actually a tamarind seasoned mix. So sometimes I like my sinigang sour, depending on how you like yours. So I might put 2 or 1.5. So that's the kangkong. We'll just go ahead and mix the kangkong in there, like so. Yan. Yan. The kangkong will be good na. Yan ang gagawin natin. That's how we do it. And guess what? Ayan na ang kangkong natin. Sinigang natin. Yan. O, diba? Napakasarap niyan. Sobra. So that's what we're gonna need. Let it boil a little.